Did you know that flamingos, those elegant and vibrant birds, have some fascinating hidden facts? Can you guess one? Well, here's an intriguing fact. Flamingos get their distinctive pink color from the food they eat. Their diet includes algae and small crustaceans that contain pigments, giving their feathers that beautiful hue. But did you know that flamingos are excellent swimmers? They use their long legs and webbed feet to navigate through water with grace and ease. Another fascinating fact is that flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat and maintain balance. Comment below with your favorite flamingo fact, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating insights into the wonders of the animal kingdom.